Hi everyone. These are going to be the last poems I send this year. Amazingly, it's going to be June on Monday. That came quickly, but was also very slow in coming. So here's the tune for June, Ba Ba Black Sheep. J-U-N-E, that spells June. J-U-N-E, school is over soon. We've learned so much in this little room. You're almost in grade 1 and 2, yes, it's true. J-U-N-E, that spells June. J-U-N-E, school is over soon. And the second one is Green Grass and Dandelions, which you'll notice doesn't have any clip art or anything, because I usually like to photocopy this for everyone and have them illustrated with pastels or watercolors or whatever they would prefer. Green grass and dandelions. Never has the grass been so green, bright and green and growing. Never have the dandelions been so yellow, bright yellow, constellations, brave little lions, suns in the grass, dandelions, in the green, 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 green grass. Never has the grass been so green, bright and green and growing in any spring. By Margaret Wise Brown. Bye, guys.